How to sign out your account in AgentGpt. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, go to this website named AgentGpt. Now this interface will pop up. Now here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon, and here on the bottom, you can find your profile icon. Beside your profile icon, there's a three dot icon. Tap on this three dot icon. So this is the place where you can easily sign out. Now before doing so, make sure you have your user ID and password saved, because later you might need it. At last, hit on sign out. So it will take some time and you're all set to go. You have been out of your account now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.